some fresh snail, some red wine. Let us prepare this delicious peppered vegetable snail for my husband for the weekend. So the first thing I did was to boil it so that all that slimy juice, water, dirty, everything will come off. When you are doing this process, do not cover the pot because you see what will happen. This is what could happen and then it will mess up everywhere. Once you boil for 10 minutes, you remove the water and use cold water and rinse it out. Make sure you go into the corner to remove all the remnants from the sliminess and all the dirt. Remove everything. Then add it back into the pot and add enough onion. When I mean enough onion, add a lot. Add some salt to taste. Add some seasoning cube if you want. And these are the vegetables I'm going to be using. So I bought red paprika, yellow paprika, and green paprika. Yes. So I'm not going to use everything. I'm just going to use each of them. I'm going to just use half. I just want to have it colorful. So I'm going to just slice this to a tiny pieces. And I'm going to be using some spinach, fresh spinach. I've washed this. I added it to the fridge before. So I'm just going to slice that also and then keep it aside. And here is onion. Look, my husband eats onion like food. So if you don't like a lot of onion, you can skip this. Use the amount that you like. Then I'm going to go in with some fresh pepper that I'm going to pound in my mortar. If you want to blend it, it's okay. Then I will allow the snail to cook till tender. Here the snail has completely cooked. It is tender. It is very, very nice. So we are going to go in with fry pan. Add some oil of your choice. Then add that plenty onions to it. Then add your veggies, not the spinach, only the paprika. And then you're going to allow that to cook on a very low heat. Then I added my pepper here. I added some salt again to taste. Now, remember that you have added a lot of things inside this snail. So be careful with the salt and other seasoning, okay? So you're going to add that snail into it and allow it to slowly. Guys, don't use heat. Then allow it to cook slowly. Then you add your fresh spinach. Oh my goodness. And then you're going to turn that slowly, cook that slowly, turn it. Make sure that you taste it. There is pepper inside, there is salt, and I'm going to dish. This is the side where I get to dish this snail. My husband had been asking me for peppered snail since I came, but I didn't want to make normal peppered snail. Look at that. I wanted something to be pepperish, but I wanted it to have a lot of vegetables inside it. And this was me going to serve my darling husband the peppered snail. I hope he likes it. This is not the typical Nigerian peppered snail that you know about, okay, because there is no tomato inside it and it's not really, really hot. Okay, like all that hotness, what do we do with it? So he started hailing me. He started appreciating it. Oh my goodness, he enjoyed it. So to make it special, I told him that, okay, this weekend you can drink a glass of wine. Red wine is okay to chill it out. So what I did, I was, just there hailing him. I ate also. Don't mind me. I ate part of it. I actually left the rest and so he will eat it the next day. Oh yeah, he finished everything. I poured him some red wine to go with it. And that was how I made something this special for him on the weekend. He enjoyed it. He was grateful. So if you have some snails, will you try this recipe? Thank you and bye.